Continuation of last class problem. We construct a Fourier series of f of x is equal to summation n from 1 to infinity 4 by pi square n square 1 minus 1 power n cos nx. You call equation number 1. Put x is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to, left hand side we consider 1 plus 2x by pi, that is 1, is equal to summation n from 1 to infinity 4 by n square pi square into 1 minus of minus 1 power n into cos 0 is 1. But 1 minus of minus 1 power n value is equal to 1 minus plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to 2 if f of x is even, is equal to 2 if f of x is odd. So we consider the value of 1 minus of minus 1 power n is equal to 2. You take 2 is equal to this. Therefore 1 is equal to summation n from 1 to infinity 4 by n square pi square into 2. That is equal to, you can take pi square this side, pi square by 4 is equal to summation n from, here selecting 2, if f of x is odd means n from odd numbers 1, 3, 5 etc. 1 by n square into 2, here into 2 is there. So pi square by 8, pi square by 8 is equal to summation 1 by n square, n from 1, 3, 5 etc. So therefore pi square by 8 is equal to, expanding the summation by putting n equal to 1, 3, 5 etc. you will get 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus etc. So this completes the problem. Next we are going to discussing another problem. Obtain the Fourier series of the function f of x is equal to minus pi in minus pi less than x less than 0, x in 0 less than x less than pi, and hence deduce that pi square by 8 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus etc. That is solution. The Fourier series of f of x in minus pi to plus pi, in minus pi comma plus pi is a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx, where a naught is equal to, see this given function is discontinuous with respect to negative side, with respect to positive side. With respect to positive x is exists, with respect to negative minus pi is there. So we can split integral minus pi to plus pi, that is 1 by pi times outside common integral minus pi to 0 f of x is minus pi dx plus 0 to pi is x into dx, that is equal to 1 by pi common integral of minus pi dx is minus pi into x minus pi to 0. Integral of x is x square by 2. Apply the limit 0 to pi. That is equal to 1 by pi. Here minus pi comma. You apply upper limit 0. Minus into minus plus. Lower limit minus plus. Plus 1 by 2 common. Here pi square minus 0. Pi square minus 0. That is equal to 1 by pi common. Minus pi into pi square plus pi square by 2 plus pi square by 2. That is equal to 1 by pi outside common minus 2 pi square plus pi square divided by 2. That is equal to 1 by pi common minus 2 pi square plus pi square is minus pi square by 2. That is pi cancel, minus pi by 2 is the required A0. Next we go for finding AN. AN formula is 1 by pi outside common, integral minus pi to 0. The given is minus pi into cos nx dx plus 0 to pi x cos nx dx. That is equal to 1 by pi times integral cos nx minus pi common. Integral cos is sin nx by n minus pi to 0 plus. Here two functions are there. First function x, second function is cos nx. You apply Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts. That is x into integral of cos is sin nx divided by n minus derivative of x is 1. Integral of sin is minus cos nx by n into n square 0 to pi. That is equal to 1 by pi common. See, this term is 0 because we apply 0 for sin, minus pi for sin is 0. Here also this term is also 0. Here minus into minus plus outside 1 by n square common, cos nx 0 to pi. That is equal to 1 by n square pi common, cos n pi minus cos 0 is 1. That is equal to 1 by n square pi into minus 1 power n minus 1. So this is the required AN. For series deduction you write one more step. You write here minus 1 by n square pi, that is 1 minus of minus 1 power n, because we have the value of 1 minus of minus 1 power n is equal to 2 if f of x is odd. That is why we rewrite like this. Otherwise this is the required answer for AN. Next BN. BN is 1 by pi common, integral minus pi to 0 minus pi into sin nx dx plus integral 0 to pi x sin nx dx. That is Bn is equal to 1 by pi common, integral of sin nx minus pi common. Sin nx is minus cos nx by n into dx, minus pi to 0. Next here two functions are there. Apply Bernoulli's rule. Minus cos nx by n minus 1 into minus sin nx by n square. You apply the limit 0 to pi. See here sin term is 0. Pn is equal to 1 by pi outside common minus pi by n cos nx minus pi to 0 minus 1 by n here x cos nx 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Next, Bn is 1 by pi common minus pi by n inside common. Cos 0 is 1. Cos of minus n pi is cos n pi. Cos n pi minus 1 by n common. 1 by n common. Pi cos n pi minus 0 into 1 0. Bn is equal to 1 by pi common minus pi by n into 1 minus 1 power n minus 1 by n into pi into minus 1 power n. That is equal to Bn is equal to 1 by n common 1 minus 2 times of minus 1 power n. Therefore, you construct the Fourier series by using a0 a n bn minus pi by 4 plus summation n from 1 to infinity minus 1 by n square pi into 1 minus of minus 1 power n into cos nx plus summation 1 by n 1 minus 2 times minus 1 power n into sin nx. So this is the required, you call equation number 1. Now series deduction. Here also put x is equal to 0. F of x has point of discontinuities at x is equal to 0, because the given function f of x is equal to minus pi and x is there. Suppose you apply x is equal to 0, it satisfies only positive side, that is x. So constant term is there, minus pi. So that is why we conclude f of x has point of discontinuities at x is equal to 0. Hence the series convergence. Hence the series converges to, we have one condition is there for point of discontinuities of f of x, that is taking the average of left hand side limit and right hand side limit. Average means 1 by 2 times of negative and positive side, that is minus pi to 0 plus 0 to pi, that is negative. You will get f of 0 plus means positive side means minus pi, negative side means here f of x is minus pi, f of 0 plus 0 minus is minus pi, sorry, here this is x. Therefore taking the average means 0 minus into minus plus minus, here plus, here minus, 0 minus pi by 2, that is minus pi by 2. So the left hand side is minus pi by 2 equal to minus pi by 2 equal to minus pi by 2. F of 0 is equal to minus pi by 2 equal to minus pi by 4 plus summation minus 1 by n square pi into 1 minus 1 power n. Put x is equal to 0. Here cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So this term is completely 0. It leaves only this. Or take this side, you will get pi square by 4 is equal to summation minus 1 by n square pi 1 minus 1 power n. You know the value of 1 minus of minus 1 power n is 2 minus 1 n square pi, that is pi square by 4. Applying this 2 means f of x is odd, means n is 1, 3, 5, etc. 1, 3, 5, etc. Therefore, pi square by 4 is equal to summation n from 135 to infinity 2 by n square. Here minus is there, here minus into minus plus, and pi square by 4 is equal to, expanding the summation, taking 2 this side, 8, 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square plus etc. So this is the series deduction. Yes, we recall once again what we have discussed in this topic. Fourier series. We construct Fourier series of f of x in 4 set of intervals, that is minus pi comma plus pi, 0 comma 2 pi, minus L comma plus L, 0 comma 2L. We constructing the Fourier series of f of x only these 4 interval. So we have the formula for f of x. This f of x involves a0 an bn formula with respect to minus pi comma plus pi, with respect to 0 comma 2 pi. Later we are discussing about these two intervals. These two intervals are called arbitrary interval. See, we observe every problem, we find all a0, an, bn. You consider any problem from this unit, that is in Fourier series, for construction of Fourier series of f of x, we first find the Fourier coefficients a0, an, bn. So avoiding to find all these Fourier coefficient, to find Fourier coefficients, we use another method. That means what? We use the concept of even or odd nature of the given function f of x. We suppose we have the condition for checking the given function f of x is even, or the given function f of x is odd. We have the conditions, later we are discussing about that. Suppose the given function is there in question, the given function f of x is even, we find only a0 and an. We need not find bn because bn is already 0. I will give the condition for checking the given function f of x is even. You just remember the given, see in every problem, first we check the given function is even or odd. If it is even, we find only a0 and an. If the given function satisfies odd nature, that means the given function is odd, we find only bn. We need not find a0, an. So a0, an are 0. So I better to choose this method to find a0, an, bn. So now we are going to discussing even and odd functions, even and odd function, definition. The function f of x is said to be even in the interval minus pi comma plus pi if f of minus x is equal to f of x. So this is the condition for even nature of the function f of x, and is said to be odd function if f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So this is the condition for checking the given function is odd. I will give the example for even. Suppose I consider x square, the given function f of x is equal to x square. You apply the condition for even, that is f of minus x is equal to f of x. See, you apply x to minus x. You apply x to minus x, that is f of minus x is equal to minus x whole square. Minus x whole square means x square. So x square is f of x. See, you observe f of minus x is equal to f of x. Therefore, f of minus x is equal to f of x. So, x square satisfies this condition. So, we conclude x square is even function. Therefore, x square is even function. X square is even function. Next, I consider cos x. Cos x, f of x is equal to, see, this cos x is also satisfies the even nature, because cos of minus x is equal to cos x, that is equal to f of x. Therefore f of minus x is equal to f of x. Therefore cos x is even. Cos x is even. Next, suppose x cube, f of x is equal to x cube. You apply f of minus x whole cube is minus x cube is equal to minus f of x. See, it satisfies f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So what is the condition? F of minus x is equal to minus f of x means the given function f of x is equal to x cube is odd. Function. Even the given function satisfies even, we find only a0 and an. We concluding the given function is said to be odd, we find only bn. I will discussing about that. Write on the heading, that is Fourier series of an even function and odd function over the interval minus pi comma plus pi, over an interval minus pi comma plus pi. Case 1. Suppose if f of x is an even function, then by using the property of definite integral, you recall, minus a to plus a, f of x dx is equal to 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even, equal to 0 if f of x is odd. Using this property of definite integral, we get a0 formula. Actually a0 formula is 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x dx is there, you know. For even nature of the given function f of x, we use this, that is 2 times by pi. Here formula is changed. We have two options to find Fourier series by considering different functions with respect to an interval like minus pi comma plus pi. Simply we find all a0, an, bn, we use 1 by pi times integral minus pi to plus pi. Otherwise, first we check the given function is even nature, we find only a0, an, obviously bn is 0. only formula is changed, that is 2 times by using this 2 times by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. When we are checking the given function is even, you observe the formula is a naught is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx, and an is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx, but Pn is 0 because even, because sin nx is odd function, because sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. That is why we confirm the given function is even. We find only a naught an by using these two formula. And constructing the Fourier series of f of x by using only a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos nx. Next, case 2, case number 2. Suppose if f of x is odd function, then by using the property of definite integral, we get a naught equal to 0, an is equal to 0, bn is 2 by pi times integral 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. We construct the Fourier series of f of x by using only bn, that is summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Some functions neither odd nor even. In that case, we find all a naught, an, bn by using the formula a naught is 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi, like that. We use one important note. Suppose if the function f of x is neither odd nor even, we have to find all three Fourier coefficients, that is a naught is equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x dx, an is equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x into cos nx dx, bn is equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x sin nx dx. You construct the Fourier series of f of x is equal to a naught by 2 summation n from 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. And we also consider the discontinuous function of the function f of x. We write one more note. If f of x is equal to phi of x in minus pi less than x less than 0, xi of x in 0 less than x less than pi. See, because we also consider like this type of function to construct Fourier series of f of x. That is why for checking the given function f of x is even or odd nature, by considering like this type of function, we say that we say that f of x is even if phi of minus x is equal to phi of x, xi of x. So this is the condition for checking the given function f of x is even, and f of x is odd if phi of minus x is equal to minus xi x, minus xi x, minus xi x. Example, f of x is equal to minus x in minus pi less than x less than 0 plus x in 0 less than x less than pi. Here the given function is even because here plus x satisfies positive side 0 to pi, satisfies minus f of minus x is equal to f of x, therefore is even function, is even function. Once again, in this unit, to construct Fourier series of f of x, we find all a0, an, bn by using the formula 1 by a0 is equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x dx, and an, bn. After finding a0, an, bn, we construct f of x. We need not find all Fourier coefficients like a0, an, bn every problem. So that is why, for convenient, you better to check the given function f of x is even or odd nature. Suppose the given function is even, it satisfies the condition f of minus x is equal to f of x. The condition for odd nature, that is f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. That means what? The given function satisfies the even nature. We find only a0, an. We need not find bn. By using the property of definite integral, we use the formula for a0 is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx, and an is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx, and bn is 0. If it is odd, we find only bn. The bn formula is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. After finding a0, an, we construct f of x. After finding bn, we construct f of x. So now we consider the problems by checking the given function is even or odd nature. Here one important note is there. We discuss even or odd nature of the given function f of x in minus pi comma plus pi. So later we are discussing checking the given function f of x is even or odd nature is in 0 comma 2 pi. We have another condition is there for checking even or odd with respect to an interval 0 comma 2 pi. Problems. Obtain the Fourier series of f of x is equal to pi square minus x square in minus pi comma plus pi. Minus pi comma plus pi. Solution. First, we check given f of x is even or odd. Even or odd. That is, given function f of x is pi square minus x square. You replace x2 minus x, that is f of x is equal to f of minus x is equal to pi square minus pi whole square minus x whole square. that is pi square minus x square. You apply minus is equal to f of x. Therefore, f of minus x is equal to f of x. Therefore, f of x is equal to pi square minus x square is even. That means we find only a naught an. Obviously, bn is equal to 0. Obviously, bn is equal to 0. We write the formula after confirming the given function is even. A naught formula is 2 by pi, not 1 by pi. 2 by pi integral 0 to pi, not minus pi to plus pi. By using the property of definite integral, after checking the given function is even or odd, we write the formula is 2 times of. That means, the property of definite integral says the function f of x is even, that is 2 times of 0 to a, that is why here 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx, that is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x is pi square minus x square into dx, that is equal to 2 by pi, integral of pi square dx is pi square into x minus x cube by 3 0 to pi, that is equal to 2 by pi times pi square, apply the limit pi minus 0 minus 1 by 3 pi cube minus 0, that is equal to 2 by pi times pi cube minus pi cube by 3 is equal to 2 by pi, here 3 pi cube minus pi cube, 2 pi cube by 3, that is 4 pi square by 3 is the required a naught, So I will continue next class.